these are the new Löwe 22 series curved anvil loppers. There are 4 sizes. 3 we're carrying are the 65, the 80, and the 100. That refers to 80 centimeter handle length, and 65 centimeter handle length, and 100 centimeter handle length. Now you can see these are new and innovative curved anvil loppers. You can see that the blade comes straight down onto an anvil, and you may think that's counterintuitive, but it is the performance from these is amazing. Watch this. This is vine maple. We're in British Columbia. Easy cuts. So that's the 22.080 22 series curved anvil pruner from Germany. BigBearTools.com, LöwePrunersCanada.com.